Hi everyone, in this tutorial we're gonna generate this text effect in Adobe Express and then add some animations to create some nice transitions. Animation starts with regular text as you see, and then with a nice character-based fade in and transition we see the text with the effect. Then a regular text slides in, and in the next two scenes we make the stroke or outline fade in and out, creating a pleasant text animation that we can use in our designs. You can find the link for the Express file in the description, so let's get started. First, I will create a text that says effect, make its font Barlow, with the size 87 and font weight black. I will center it and make its color light blue. Then I will duplicate it, center the duplicate, and under Effects tab, I will click the pencil icon and paste the prompt that I've generated with ChatGPT for the effect. Then I'll hit enter, wait for effect to be generated. Now that we have our text effect generated, we need to add the fade in animation for the text with the effect. So while it is selected, I will click Animation tab, and under In, I will click Fade. I'm gonna check the settings. I will make sure its duration is 1 second. Under text segment, character needs to be selected and direction needs to be right. Let's preview. And we can see the version with the text effect covers our plain text with a great looking character-based fade-in animation, right? Now we need to make our scene's length same with the fade-in animation, right? So I will drag the bottom timeline to the left to make its duration 1 second. Then to add the other effects, I will first duplicate the existing scene and start modifying it. In our second scene, we need to add the slide-in animation for the text underneath. But before that, I'll select the text layer at top and remove its fade effect under the animation by clicking Remove All button at the bottom, since we don't need that effect in this scene. Then I will select the text at the bottom from the Layers panel, and in the Animation panel, under tab In, I will select Slide. And duration should be 0.5 seconds, personality should be strong. I'll make sure fade is checked and direction should be right. Basically all of the default settings are okay for us. Let's preview this scene. And we can see the regular text slides into the scene nicely, right? The last edit we need to make in this scene is gonna be making its duration 0.5 seconds. Basically same with the animation. Next I will duplicate the last scene to create the next one. And in the new scene, while the text at the bottom is selected, I'm gonna remove its animation. Since this scene is gonna have the first stroke animation of our regular text, or fading in the outline, under Edit panel, I will click Outline box, and under Custom, I will paste its fill color code. And I need to make its thickness 20 pixels. And to create the outline animation, we need to add fade in effect to it. So under animation, while in is selected, I'm gonna click fade, and again duration 1 second, segment character, and direction right is okay. Before previewing, since the animation takes 1 second, we need to equalize the scene's duration with it. So while the bottom timeline is selected, I'll drag it to the right to make its length 1 second. We can see also the top layer's duration is equalized with it. Now we can preview. And we can see outline fades in nicely, right? The last animation is gonna be for the fade out of the outline. So I will duplicate the previous scene. Then I'm gonna select the regular text at the bottom, remove its fade in animation. Click Out tab to add a fade out. And again, default settings, 1 second, character and right should be okay. Let's preview. And we can see outline fades out as we want, right? Let's preview the whole animation. And all the motion effects we created form a great animation, right? That we can use in our designs, including web and interactive ones. And with that, we wrap another tutorial up. I hope you liked it. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe, turn the notifications on, check my other tutorials, and see you in the next one.